Hey, I'm Rachel Ngom from she'smakingimpact.com, and I got a question. I got an email the other day on, can you niche down your blog too much? And she actually asked me, should I have a lifestyle blog or should I choose this super specific niche? And I said, niche down, do not have a lifestyle blog because, if you're doing the things that I teach and getting traffic to your blog via Pinterest for free, I really want you to get in the head of your ideal Pinterest user. And this totally explains why my Pinterest blog or my fitness blog took off when I switched my focus and I really honed in on my niche. Okay. So my niche in my fitness business used to be just general health and fitness, right? So and then I had a couple posts on eating keto. Someone would be searching keto on Pinterest. They'd find that post, they'd come to my blog, they'd read that post, but then they'd go back to Pinterest. They're kind of disappointed, right? They wanted to learn more about keto and I just didn't offer that. I realized though that all my posts that were generating the most traffic were all about keto. So I said, what if I just posted only about keto and I made my blog 100% focused on eating keto, which is high fat, low carb, if you're not familiar. So what happened? My blog exploded. So again, get in the head of my ideal client. She's on Pinterest. She's searching for something keto. She comes to my blog. She reads it. She loves the post. And then she realizes there's so much more keto information on my blog. I even have a free keto meal plan. Of course, she's going to sign up for it. She sees my keto ebook, probably going to buy it too, right? So it's all because I narrowed down my focus. And when you have a lifestyle blog and you're talking about everything under the sun, it's really hard to actually get that ideal person to fall in love with your content, especially if it's cold traffic. Because what happens is Pinterest is going to be a cold traffic, someone who has no idea who the heck you are. So in order to really gain their attention, build that connection with them right off the bat, you got to be niched down. So if you haven't niched down yet, do it. The riches are in the niches. If you want to learn more about this and specifically on how to use Pinterest to grow your business, make sure to sign up for my free Pinterest masterclass. Go to freepinterestclass.com and I'll see you later.